Start with initial request. Basic requirement: cardholder must have copy of certificates for merchant and payment gateway. You can just imagine this is the process starts uh, in the banks. Okay, required uh, customer requirement and bank requirement. uh, what is the transaction between customer and the bank. These are the whole process uh, which is shown in the diagram. Okay, customer request the certificates in the initiate request message to merchant, brand of credit card, id assigned to this request, response pair by customer. Second is initiate response. First is a request, second is a respond. Now merchant generates a response, signs with private signature key, include customer nonce, include merchant nonce, transaction id for purchase transactions. In addition, merchant signature certificate, payment gateway key exchange certificate. Okay, third is a purchase request. Cardholder verifies two certificates using their CA and creates OI and PI. Message includes purchase related information, order related information, cardholder certificates. The cardholder generates one time symmetric encryption key, that is KS. Okay. Next is a purchase response message. Message that acknowledge the order and reference corresponding transaction number. Block is signed by merchant using this private key. Block and signature are sent to customer along with merchant signature certificate. Upon reception, verifies merchant certificate, verifies signature on response block, take the appropriate action. Okay, this is the purchase request. Now verification, you can see the request is received from the bank and process request message and pass one by one merchant to the payment gateway. This is the hash function concatenated, and then again hash function, then compare with POMD and POMD, that is given by the digital dual signature and the PIMD, and compare and generate data. Okay, by using key. This is the whole operation of the verification. Okay, now see the next topic is payment process. What will be, we have seen two processes, that is request and verification. Request sent by receiver, that is customer, and verification receives the message, all the data, that is MD5 using by dual signature and hash functions and responses to the message. That is total process of verification. Now next point is payment process. There are some payment process types, that is payment authorization, payment gateway, authorization, response. Now starts with payment process. The payment process is broken down into two steps, that is payment authorization, payment gateway, payment capture. Payment authorization: the merchant sends an authorization request message to the payment gateway consisting of the following: purchase related information, dual signature calculated over the PIOI, and signed with customer private key. Got it? The OI message digest, the message, the digital develop, the digital envelope authorization related information, that is certificates authorization related information, an authorization block including a transaction ID signed with merchant private key, encrypted one time session key. And certificates, cardholder signature key certificates. Required certificates are cardholder signature key certificate, merchant signature key certificate, merchant key exchange certificate. Okay. Now next topic is payment gateway. Payment, verify all the certificate, decrypt authorization block digital envelope to obtain symmetric key and decrypt block. Verify, next is a verify merchant signature on authorization block, decrypt payment block digital envelope to obtain symmetric key and decrypt block. Verify dual signature on payment block. Verify received transaction ID received from merchant matches PI received from customer. Request and receive issuer authorization. Okay, got it? That is a payment gateway. And last one is authorization response. Authorization response message. Authorization related information, capture token information and certificates. Okay, this is all the transaction, this is all the processes of the payment process, right? Now we have covered all the topics that is related to the transaction with the credit card, that is customer and the bank related. All the operations we have seen, that is request and the verification from the, we have covered with the dual signature, request and the verification of messages by the banker. Okay, so we have covered all topics in the unit 4. So thank you very much students for your being support. Thank you very much.